Welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we will learn about MySQL Connector for Python. That said, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Just for a quick info, if you want to upskill yourself, master business analytics, and land your dream job or grow in your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various business analytics programs. Simplilearn offers postgraduate programs from Purdue University in collaboration with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Through this program, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like prescriptive and predictive analytics, regression, classification, and over a dozen others. That's not all, you also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects, learn from industry experts and top-tier product companies and academicians from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a business analytics role as a fresher or moved on to a higher-paying job profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find out the business analytics program that fits your experience and areas of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started with the demonstration for today's session. So, the one-point agenda, that is MySQL Connector for Python. Now, let's check on the codes that we are going to execute for the day. So, technically, we have the three major codes. But in case if you have the MySQL Connector for Python existing in your Windows, then you can also unlist or uninstall that. But majorly, three major codes. Check for the Python version. If you have, you can proceed. Then check or start Python IDLE and try to execute the last code. And in case if you get an error, that means you don't have it. And then you can come back to the second line and install the code from command prompt. And then go back to idle and you can get started, or you can also import this into your IDEs. That said, let's get started with the demonstration. Let me start the command prompt. There you go. The command prompt got successfully started. Let's check the Python version. We have Python -. We have it, which is Python 3.10.0. Fine. Now let's check the pip list if I already have that MySQL connector in the list or not. So I think yes, we do have the Python connector. Now let's quickly uninstall it. You can use the same code, pip uninstall. Do this, paste it, done. You can quickly uninstall that. Just give yes. Now it's been removed. If I check the pip list again, we will not have it. Right now, we will use the same code to install it. Okay. Before that, let's check Python idle, right? Here we have the idle. If we check import MySQL.connector, we should be getting an error, right? So now let's go back to the command prompt and use this code to install it back again. Remember, you have to write pip install. We have already uninstalled it. So pip installed MySQL Connector for Python. Enter. Now the file should be downloading. So successfully got installed now. Now let's go back to Python idle and execute the same code once again. And we should not get any errors indicating the presence of MySQL Connector for Python. Press enter. There you go. You have no more errors. So that's how you install MySQL Connector for Python in Windows operating system. And with that, we have come to the end of this session on MySQL Connector for Python in Windows. And if you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require any resources that we used in this session like PPT, please do let us know in the comment section below. And our team of experts will be happy to help you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.